How to turn off subscription on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can cancel a subscription on TikTok or simply remove the subscription. So go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now go to your profile page by tapping on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see the option of three horizontal lines in the top right. Go ahead and tap on that. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now, because I don't have any active subscriptions, I don't have a subscription option or the active subscription listed below the account option. But if you have, simply tap on the subscription that you want to cancel. If you're still having trouble canceling, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem in the bottom of the page. Then again, scroll down and tap on Chat with Us option. Type in the message saying that how can I cancel an auto-renewable subscription. Follow the steps on the next page, and if you still have problems, and you can explain that you're having trouble canceling your subscription, and TikTok support will get back to you within 3 to 4 business days or 24 to 48 hours and help you fix the problem. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and turn off subscription on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.